Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for his question. The RISE program, RISE stands for Revitalizing Informal Settlements and the Environment, is actually an innovative program that addresses health, environment, water and sanitation in urban informal settlements. RISE aims to demonstrate a nature-based solution to revitalize informal settlements to deliver sustainable, cost-effective health and environmental improvement. This particular project was initially started by Monash University and ADB. They have been in the country from 2017, conducting a number of research, and they have put up a demonstration project in Tamavua, Iwai. And the whole idea of this project is to identify settlements which are waterlogged. And in these settlements, the idea is to provide solution to sanitation as well as environmental problems faced by the community in that area. So 12 sites have been identified, and the demonstration project, as I mentioned earlier on, is in Tamavua, Iwai. And this particular project was developed through consultation within the community and the various stakeholders, for example, Ministry of Housing, ETOK, Trust Board, and many other agencies came together to make the decision. So it is more or less a technology-driven program for the informal settlement. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.